ఇవన్నీ ఫీల్డ్లో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ డిస్ప్లే కోసం ఉంచాము ఇవన్నీ అవుట్డోర్ ఉన్నాయి డిస్ప్లే కోసం మేము ఉంచాము
citizens by improving the services of government. You know, government is providing some services to citizens. For example, they are cleaning the roads, so sanitation activities. They are providing some kind of birth certificate, those kind of services to citizens. Government is providing or responsible for providing safety on road, on your wherever you people are staying in your colonies, your houses, apartments, you people are walking, moving, correct? So whatever the responsibilities are there with government, they try to improve those services by using technology. Right? So the most important thing in everybody's life is everybody wants to feel secure, safe. Then only people stay there. So first requirement government identified and told to us, do something about the security thing. So most common security thing everybody knows is camera. Okay? So they said, okay, install 380 camera. You start with install 380 camera across the city so that the police can see what is happening. In case some crowd is gathering, some people are fighting, or they need some investigation support from the recording field. So they said, install 380 camera. Then next thing is support in case of emergency. So they installed 25 emergency call boxes. You might have seen one yellow color box at few places, at YSR statue, near you might have seen. So then, not here, this setting machine, this screen. Then, other second vertical, which government service is to inform people about any weather alert. Correct? You know, regularly heavy rains are coming. This is a coastal area. So we are having cyclones. Every 2 years one cyclone comes. Every year heavy rains comes. So they said install public announcement systems and variable message displays to display the message of government to the public. So we installed about 30 location public announcement system. This you might have seen at some places. One pole is there and 2 speakers are there. In Vivekanand Park also it is there. If you want, you can have a look. Then they said variable message displays. So big display screens to display message about warning about weather. Okay, messages about government schemes, information about COVID precautions. Okay, so whatever government wants to tell you, so that immediately it reaches to maximum people, because government people cannot go everybody to tell. So this is the way using the technology to aware people about situational awareness. Technical term is situational awareness. You should be aware about a situation, like alarms. You know, sometimes we have fire alarms in buildings. In my your engineering or calling might be fire alarms or smoke alarms might be there. So in case of any message required to be told to public, they are using public announcement system for audio and for a video. Big screens, we call it variable messaging displays. Okay, camera happened, emergency happened. Now health is directly related to sanitation, cleanliness. So you might have seen some green color trucks are moving around the city, picking the garbage and taking to the garbage station. To monitor those vehicles which are collecting the garbage, to ensure they are going in time, they are collecting in time and they are moving as per the plan, as per their plan, daily route. They installed, or in fact, together with us, installed GPS, 50 vehicle GPS installed to monitor them, whether they are going. Arun, you can show the map somewhere. Yes, sir. So predefined route, there is predefined route that these vehicles should go in your area, suppose on these roads, whether they are going or not, to monitor. And then earlier we were having smart bins. So what was the problem? Problem was that garbage, you might have seen now, garbage bins are very less in the city. Earlier this must be garbage, green color bins were placed. So what was happening? People were not aware when it is getting filled. And people used to overload it and it was coming out. The spilling of the garbage was happening and then cows and other animals were taking it outside. So they said to install sensors on the bin. Whenever it gets full, you should get update and you should inform, driver should get update of the vehicle and you should clean that garbage bin. Okay? This was this. Then another thing related to health is your air quality. Slowly the Kakinada population is increases, even migration is happening from other cities, people are coming, new job opportunities are there, so more people will come, they will bring more vehicles. So air quality was supposed to be monitored so that government can take necessary actions if required. So about 12 places environmental sensors are installed. We will show the equipment also. There are one sample is there behind you that we will show also. So this is like this. As we discussed, in one area the vehicle should go on this path. This is the path. It should go from morning to evening to collect the garbage. If the vehicle is not going here, it is going here. Then we get alert and our people call these people why you are diverting your path, why you are not going on your duty. So the purpose is same, to keep those people on work to bring more improvement in the efficiency. Back around. So this is done. Then traffic management. As I told, more people are coming, more vehicle will come, more congestion might come. If you talk to your parents, your parents will tell 10 years back that much traffic was not there in Kakinada. Now more traffic. So government said install some traffic lights to regulate the traffic, to reduce the traffic jam. So we installed at 4 places from Sarpuram, Nagamalli Junction, Bhanagudi Junction and Patampuria Junction. We installed centrally controlled and centrally monitored advanced traffic system. Previously just standard lights were there, 5 second, 10 second like that. But these are centrally controlled. We can control those lights here. We can monitor in case of any light is having some fault, so that we can restore it fast. If we are not having the visibility, that we cannot restore them fast in case of any fault is there. PPT. So they installed this. And one more thing related to traffic security, they said install red light violation detection system. Because when more traffic will come, some people will all maybe violating the red light. So to capture their vehicle number and to send the challan to them by SMS, they asked us to install RLVD system, red light violation detection system at Sarpuram. So it is installed at Sarpuram, tested, as and when government will say, they will start sending challan. Then similarly automatic number plate system. You know, some people, police wants to track their vehicles. If somebody hit and run case, stolen vehicle, so police gives us their number, vehicle number. Whenever that vehicle come into our cameras, our system gives an alert to police. Or an open CDP if it is there. We will show you what kind of alerts they are coming. So then face recognition system, again related to police. Like police is having interest in some vehicles, they are having interest in tracking some people also, rowdy people. So they have given about 2000 faces of rowdy people, our cameras are tracking them. That we will also show how it is working. In case anybody coming in the camera, system is generating alert to police, this person is there. Go to alert, see what alerts we have. Last whatever, put the date, then find. So this covered. Then government said, okay, safety happened, or health happened, situational awareness done. Let us bring some energy saving also. You know already. More, again the same thing. More people, more energy consumption also. More ACs, more lights. So they do one thing. They said do one thing. Install some centrally controlled, centrally monitored smart lights. So what is the difference as compared to the old lights? We can see them from here, whether they are glowing or not. So first thing, we can restore immediately whenever they are going faulty. Earlier, you people might be complaining in KMC or somewhere. They may be coming in 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. Because the gap in reporting also was there. Because when light is faulty, nobody is telling them in 1 hour to KMC people. Correct? They may take 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, thinking they will come and do. But here we can monitor them and because those lights are having motion sensors. How the energy is being saved, those lights are having motion sensors. In late night, when traffic is very less, you know sometimes roads are empty, lights are glowing. So those motion sensor is watching it. You might have seen some small boxes there. If you go some roads, main road, at the start of the road, first pole, there is this much small boxes are there. Some places. Those are motion sensors. So what they are doing, in late night when vehicles are not there, they are reducing the light. So for 8 hours, 7 hours till the morning 5 am, they are saving electricity. So two main things, saving electricity and repairing immediately. Okay. Then government said, try to connect people to internet, whosoever is not yet connected. For that, we installed about 470 Wi-Fi access points giving 1 GB per day free. You might have seen again some white color boxes are installed on some poles. Wi-Fi on main road also there, and about 470 access points are there. That also we will try to show. We are monitoring them also here by just knowing their mobile numbers and how much data he or she has consumed. Just not any intrusion or privacy issue, just to monitor whether they are using or not. Suppose right now we show 25 or 30 people are using right now. Suppose it goes immediately 10 or 5, so we come to know there will be some problem in the network or somewhere, so we can restore it for the people. See, Arun, go down. These are, we can see the status also on map. Or we show first those CDP. So this is one of the example of the, you see, faces are getting captured from camera and system is matching it. And we are having a alert, alarms, subjects. This is live. So alarms, generate the alarms in case 60 or 70% face captured from camera matches to the face stored in the system. Okay. You see, it is saying detection line and identification line. So it is giving, because sometimes what happens that person might have beard now. After 5 years he might have gained the weight also. So it is saying, it is giving some suggestion also, so that the police person can think and decide whether it is that person or some other person. Likewise, I said about the alerts. So see, this is saying vehicle under monitoring. This vehicle is identified as going to serve from junction lane 2. So the purpose of IT is one very important purpose is to reduce the manual work. Whatever technology can help, police will do only their action work, not processing work. Just get the alert and take the action, whatever they want. So monitoring is automatically done by system. Okay, otherwise what is happening? Police people are standing, seeing the vehicles, sometimes, correct? So this system can alert them automatically. It is, you see, even date and time, and we are having normally an option to send it manually and automatic also. Both options are there by mail or by thing. See around some other alerts are there that I will show this. So this is as we told about the real-time Wi-Fi. If you see here, 41 users connected. This is their mobile number. Real time. Right now they are using. See the time. 11 AM. This many minutes. This much data upload. This much data download. This much is the speed. So this we are monitoring just if the somehow the number subscriber goes less to check the system. Next, let's see if some other alerts are there, otherwise we will burn out. And you know all these elements are interconnected using 120 km of underground fiber cable, because there should be a mechanism to connect all those elements, whether it is camera, Wi-Fi, all those things. So this is that thing, and data analytics, as I told, all system analysis is being done by the system itself, generating the alert to the concerned person to take necessary action, whether it is for face recognition, whether it is for number plate reader, whether it is for fault in Wi-Fi, whatever. See, on map itself we can see the light status. If any light is glowing, light is not glowing, light is faulty. So even we need not to see the Excel list also to find which light. On map itself we can see. What else around we can show? See other things other than number plate reader. Government is having some facilities which they are having some data. Means suppose water charge collection. The government is collecting water charges. So in order to overview whether the regular water charge collection is happening or not, they are monitoring this data. And it is system is giving that ward number 17, the collection of water charge is 50% less than previous year. Like that, there are 50 more services which government is monitoring to ensure that their government staff is doing their duties and bringing either revenue properly, doing the services properly, delivering the services to Kakinada people. What else? So these are the things which we are doing from here. Just behind you are having some equipments. Our team will you show also, although name is also written. You are having Wi-Fi, camera, you are having environmental sensors as we said, and we are having network equipment also. So maybe you can, if you have any questions, you tell me. Otherwise we will start this visit and we can end this session. If you have any question, please let me know. If you have any suggestion, please tell us. If not,
simple 2 lines, 3 lines, 2 minutes,
ask, no problem. Without asking, half knowledge doesn't come. 50% everybody gains, but 50% remaining you have to ask question. or you can come later also by requesting.
నేనే ఫోర్స్ చేయట్లేదు, ఏదో నేర్చుకోవడానికి వచ్చారు కదా ఇక్కడికి, ఇది ఏంటో తెలుసుకోవడానికి వచ్చారు కదా, ఆయన ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు. సో మీకు అర్థమైందో కొద్దిగా అడుగుతున్నాను అంతే. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగమన్నారు ఆయన. ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఎవరికి లేదు కదా.
Then we have, if you want you can ask in Telugu also. We are
ఆ స్క్రీన్లో అలా చూసి మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి.